Hey friends, welcome back. I am in the beautiful country of Pakistan, here in the capital, Islamabad, and I'm a little bit outside in the suburbs, by the way. Today's video, we have no clue what today's video is about. We're just simply gonna go out, explore, wander, and of course, get lost. that's pretty much it. Walking with the camera in these streets is incredible. If you have missed out on the previous video, check it out. Link is below. Look at those buildings. Wow. How old are those, like, do you know? They're selling chicken, they're live chicken. Man, it's incredible. And then you got this building. Amazing. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. What is it?
This is samosa.
Samosa with what?
Samosa.
Chicken, vegetable. Potato. Ah, okay. How much is one? How much? Kitna? One?
This guy.
30. Okay, give me one. Let me try it. Yeah, egg one. Chai? No chai. Right, we are gonna try it. I've been seeing it pretty much everywhere and I just want to try it. I have to. Shukriya. Let's give it a taste test. Oh my god, you should see this view. It's incredible. It's just incredible. This is the gentleman, he gave me the sambusa. And this is the view. Oh my god, the chaos is incredible. I love it. Well, let's give it a taste test. There she is. Here. Potato, yeah? It's with potato. Wow, man, the dish is amazing. Very good. Incredible flavor. Nice hint of spices as well. I like it. Man, they have like about 8 people on one of those small tuk-tuks. How do they move? It's incredible. I can't get the shot. It's too far. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this and we're gonna continue the tour. Right, that was actually really good. For those who are curious, the cost of this sambusa was 30 rupee, which is an equivalent of about 12 cents. Acha, let's go. Right, what's next? It's just random here. Crossing the street while vlogging here is a bit dangerous actually. Wow. I can never get over the cable wires there. All around Asia, you see that. We're gonna keep straight, I think. This way. Let's explore this street, see what's it like. So this section is all about jewelry, by the way. Every bazaar in the world, there has to be jewelry. And this is the display, the gold. Assalamu alaikum. Look at the gold here. Very nice. Very different display as well. I love it. Very different display also as well, like from you know, like other countries that already has been on the channel, like Turkey, Iran. Everybody got their own style, of course. The way how they display it, like look at this. Very nice, like much different. Same here too. Assalamu alaikum. Right, gold is not my thing. Let's get out of this section because I have no interest in it. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What is this?
What is this of the green tea?
Huh?
Green tea.
But it's pink.
Hanji, pink tea.
How much is it?
How it is bitches.
How much, kidna?
60 rupees, 16 rupees.
60. Can I have one?
Yes.
Yeah, let me try it.
Hanji.
So this is a green tea, but the color is pink.
Hanji.
Can I have one?
16 rupees.
Okay. I'll have one tea. I want one for me. Yes. Look how he poured it like. Look at this thing here. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, look at this display here. It's different.
Where are you going in the country? Where are you going country?
I'm from Ireland.
Ireland?
Yes. Oh, there she is. He gave me with a takeaway cup. Oh, I can sit. Yes. So this is like strange, right? Like he said, this is green tea.
Green tea.
Green tea, but it's pink.
Beautiful, beautiful.
But it's pink.
Kashmiri green tea. Kashmiri.
So he says it's a green tea, but it's pink. Oh, right, taste test. Oh, it smells so good though. It smells good. Oh, that is so good. That is actually tastes different than the normal chai.
Taste, very fine taste.
Yes, very good taste.
Good
I like
taste,
it.
good taste,
I like
good
it. Oh man, we can get this shot here. Look, me there, you are here. It's a perfect shot. What's your name?
My name is Khalid Mahmood.
Khalid Mahmoud. And your job is jewelry?
Jewelry.
Yeah?
Yes.
Business is good?
Good, good.
Yes?
Good.
A lot of money today?
How can
Oh, I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this, have a chat with Khalid as well, and then we're gonna continue. This is random, like. Right, the guys want to take some pictures together. Amazing. You don't have to be serious, you can be loose, it's okay. Smile.
Smile. Muhammad, smile. Huh? Muhammad, smile.
Smile.
Yes.
Oh, I love it. Please take the money. Please take the money.
No. Yes.
Before I turn on the camera, I'm paying for the tea. I'm still here and I'm about to leave. And this happened to me so many times here in Pakistan so far. He wouldn't take the money and I have insisted off camera and on camera and he wouldn't take it. Shukriya. Thank you. Amazing. Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.
Most welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, this happened to me so many times so far. Every time I'm ordering tea or some quick snack or something off camera, this happened. They don't do this on camera, they do it actually off camera. They know that I'm a foreigner, so they keep saying, no, you're a guest, you don't pay. This happens so many times, and right now it happened that I'm vlogging. And off camera, I usually pay off camera. I don't, because the interaction also with holding a camera and I'm giving away the money and I'm taking out my wallet. That's why I do it off camera. I need to do this a little bit more often now. The Pakistanis are amazing. Like the generosity and the kindness of the people is incredible. And I did not see it coming, to be honest. And I'm happy to pay. Like, by the way, this is worth 60 rupee, which is about 25 cents or so. I appreciate it anyway, regardless. I don't care about how much it is. Anyway, let's continue exploring. Oh man, chaotic. I love it. Madness. This is a juice bar, by the way. They make a fresh juice. And there's the food. More food. What is that? Like, I mean, there's so many hidden things, like you'll never explore them. This is food as well. This is a butcher. More jewelries. Let's get out of this section here. I love it. Local kids want to take a picture with me. It's video. Shukriya. Oh, very nice. I'm still in the same street, like, you know, like this is the beauty about vlogging in Pakistan, I guess. One street full of action. Amazing. Right, I really want to get out of this street though. Oh wow, look at this building. The architecture is mad though. I can't believe how this is still holding, right? Incredible. This is a bakery there. He sticks the bread or the dough. Salaam alaikum. He sticks the dough like underneath and he takes it. Very nice.
Thank you.
Khudafis. Oh, very nice. And they accept the camera. I like that. Like, you know, there isn't so much defensiveness. I know in the previous video there was a defensiveness with the reception, but I think because that area was very sensitive, which I didn't know about, and you can't really stay there as a foreigner, which I didn't know about as well. Look at this architecture. Oh my God. How is this building still standing? And all the wires, all the madness. Meat outside the freezer. Oh my God, how is that even possible? But it is possible and it works and we eat it and we're all fine. And by the way, actually Pakistan, now in Balochistan region, traveling through, it's a pity, I feel sorry for the people there. Like, it's dirty, it's extremely poor. They have lack of water and electricity as well. Even at the police station, it was crazy. Like, it was one of the most difficult things I've done in my life. But coming to this part of the world, like this part of the country in Pakistan, northern side life is more accepted here than over in the south. In the south was very bad, like very bad. One of the worst thing I've probably seen in my life, you know, which I feel sad about it. Anyway, we are gonna get out of here. I keep saying that, I know, but it's just the way how it is. Oh my God, look at this building. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Here. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine.
Acha. Right. Everybody, by the way, I have an audience in front of me. Assalamu alaikum. Oh yeah, I'm getting there, yeah. He's telling me about another building to go and check out. Look at this, overweight. This building here. Oh my God. And then we got camels in the street. This is one continuous shot, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Pakistan. Oh my God. What the hell is this? What the hell is that, man? That was super spontaneous. I keep saying I want to get out of the street, but I don't want to get out of the street anymore. Assalamu alaikum. You see, like, the smile on their faces as well every time, like, I greet them. There's like a sugar can. This one here. Yeah, assalamu alaikum. I've seen them eating it, like they put it in their mouth and they chew on it, and I know I've eaten it before, and it's sweet, it's sugar basically, but it's natural sugar, which is amazing. But the thing is, like, I don't know what they do after, because you can't swallow it, you know, so you have to spit it out. I don't know the process. Oh, look at that. Wow. Like, it's incredible. Like, the street is there, and the moment I entered, super quiet. It's amazing. Well, besides the noise that's there, in general, it was quiet. And then, like, the buildings change. Look at that. You know, I'm not sure if this is real kind of tiles, but it does look like it actually. Yeah. Very beautiful. Right, arrived at Main Street, exiting the main street. Assalamu alaikum. And entering like a sweet shop. And I want to check out the sweets. It's local sweets that I really want to try. Now there's so many different varieties. It's incredible. But obviously I cannot like really try everything. And not sure which one to go for. What is that? Okay, let's have one of those. Try them. Can I have one of this? One, yeah. Yes. No, no, one piece. One piece, yeah. 1 kg, no. And one of this here. I want to try this one too. 2 is enough. 1 kg I can't handle. What is this here? Look. What is that? Like, can I try this? Try? Oh, nice. Yeah, one of this. Oh, that is really good. That tasting thing, like, is so risky. You know, you end up like buying one, right? Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those. One of this piece. Yeah, just like that. One of them. Yeah. Oh, this one here. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. What's the confusion? Everybody buys in the kilo. I don't buy in the kilo. No. This is like 90. Was it 90, wasn't it? Yeah, that's it. Bus.
You're from London?
No, I'm not from London.
Yeah.
I'm from Ireland.
Ireland. No.
Even better, right?
Yeah, yeah. Next to.
Next to, right? What's the total, please? I think it was 90. Oh, was I right?
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Shukriya. Allah Hafiz.
Allah.
All right, we got it. And it is the main street here. Very noisy, very chaotic. This is, by the way, local. I've eaten it so many times. This one there. That was a very quick shot. It's chaotic. Anyway, I will be putting an end to this video. I'm not gonna give them a taste because it's very noisy here. We are outside and we made it to the end anyway. If you made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you have not done so already. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps with the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.